Hi, I'm Grayson Rout, an admissions counselor here at Trinity. As you probably know by now, the first 2 years at Trinity are filled with challenging classes and limitless opportunities to gain important clinical experience. However, that's not all there is to attending medical school in the Caribbean. Many potential students want to know what life may be like for them on the island. Travel availability, scheduled breaks, off-campus activities, and island life are many factors that helped button up this tough decision for our current students. As always, you can find this information on our website, and our admissions team is always available to answer any questions you may have. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is a southern Caribbean nation comprising a main island, St. Vincent, and a chain of 32 smaller islands with yacht-filled harbors, white sand beaches, and volcanic landscapes. It's known for its major sailing destinations such as reef-lined Beckway, as well as Mystique. It offers all the sun and sand you'd expect from the Caribbean without being in the active hurricane region. Our 5-acre campus offers gorgeous views of neighboring islands and is located only a few short miles of the airport, Milton Cato Memorial Hospital, and downtown Kingstown. Students can enjoy their time off with a wide variety of activities, including ecotourism, volcano hikes, scuba diving, exploring local markets, sailing and fishing, to volunteering. Short boat rides can take students to many of the neighboring islands, including Beckway, where they can enjoy sand, surf, and shopping. Many students ask about scheduled school breaks so they can effectively manage their time. Each of our terms at Trinity run for just 15 weeks, and terms begin in January, May, and September with a white coat ceremony. At the end of the fall term, students enjoy a great break from mid-December until after the first of the year. There are shorter breaks between the other two terms. When you're ready to head home for a visit, you can fly directly out of nearby Argyle International Airport to most major cities in the United States and Canada. Direct flights are offered to and from Toronto, Miami, or New York City. Medical school is a difficult endeavor, and we encourage students to remain active outside the classroom. This not only provides valuable knowledge and skills, but helps each student develop camaraderie and connections with other students at Trinity. You will find many student-led organizations and associations that are aligned with our diverse student body. As you can see, Trinity offers a unique experience outside of the classroom, and many alumni have pointed to this as a memorable part of their time on the island. Yes, the demands of medical school are not easy, but it makes it much more enjoyable when you're surrounded by the beauty of a Caribbean setting. Remember, if you have any questions regarding your journey with Trinity and what to expect, our admissions team is always available. We hope to see you on our campus soon.